Yun ma'am, it's either masturbation or fellatio. I decline. No.
Speak like a man.
Tapos I realized that I'm in the deep part of where most massacred women are dying. Wala pa na lugar. He was about to pull over. Kadali. Inaok sa Victoria na lang. Long story. May nalang, pag-flash siya.
Bayad ka?
Ano siya na, bayaran na lang daw ako siyang 50.
Ang bilan na ito.
Mga 40 naman ang nasa taxi.
Sabi wala ng Victoria, di ba? Yung puri pa.
Tuyok naman sa obrero.
Yung malay.
Kung naalap, buhangin yung mga. Buhangin. Also, ma'am, he put over in front of the mobile patrol. Then, I don't want to shout, police help! Nakapagtawanan ako.
Speak like a man. Like a man. Act like a man.
Yes,